Good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome to English class. Okay, so all of you open your English textbooks and open page number 28. Okay, observe page number 28. So what we have to do means we have to identify the rhyme words. Rhyme words means two words have the similar sound. Means two words have similar sound. That means two words pronounce like same. Pronounce like same. So we have to identify what are those two words which has rhyme words, means which have similar sound. So we have to identify similar sound words and we have to circle it. So see the first box. What are the words we have? First word is job. Second word is jam. Third word is rob. So in these three words, we have to identify what are the rhyme words. Okay? So how we can identify? By pronouncing. We can identify through the pronouncing the words. So all of you pronounce along with me. What is this word? Job. What is this word? Job. What is this word? Jam. What is this word? Jam. What is this word? Rob. What is this word? Rob. So in this we have to identify what are the rhyme words. So see the present. See the first word. It's job. Right? What is this? Job. Second word is jam. Job, jam. Is these two words have similar sound? No, because this is job. This is jam. So these two words are not rhyme words because these two words doesn't have same sound. So now we will observe second word and third word. What is the second word? Is jam. What is the third word? It's rob. Jam, rob. These two words have similar sound? No, right? So now let us observe first word and third word. What is the first word? Job. What is the third word? Rob. Job, rob. So first and third word have similar sound. So all of you pronounce along with me. Job, rob. Job, rob. In ending we had similar sounds, right? Job, ob, rob, ob. So circle first word and third word because these two are rhyme words. These two have similar sound. Job, rob. Okay. So, okay. First set is completed. Now come to the second set. What is this? Pot, rod, fan. So let us observe each word. What is the first word? Pot. What is the second word? Rod. Pot, rod. Pod, odd, rod, odd. So, first one and second word have similar sound, right? So, let us check third word also. What is the third word? It is fan. What is the third word? Fan. So, pot, rod, fan. Fan have similar sound comparing to these two words? No, right? So what are the rhyming words? Pod and rod. Pod, odd, rod, odd, right? So first and second word has similar sound. So pod and rod are rhyming words. Pod and rod are rhyming words, right? Okay. So observe the third set. What are the words we have? Hot, fog, log. What are the words we have? hot, fog, log. So we will compare with each letter. What is the first word? Hot. What is the second word? Fog. Hot, fog. These two have similar sounds? No, right? Okay, let us compare to the first word and third word. What is the first word? Hot. What is the third word? Log. What is the first word? Hot. What is the third word? Log. These two have similar sounds? No, because it is hot. It is log. These two sounds like similar? No, right? So, let us observe second word and third word. What is the second word? Fog. What is the third word? Log. Fog, log. So, these two have similar sounds. So, observe carefully, children. Fog, og, log, og. So, in last, these two have similar pronunciation. That means similar sound. So, fog and log are rhyming words. So, circle fog and log. Fog, log. Okay, children. So, these three you will do as a homework. These three all of you do as a homework. So, what we have to do? We have to circle the rhyming words that are those two words sounds like similar. You have to circle those two words. So, we did these three sets, right? So, you all did these three. Okay, children, this is your today's homework. So, these three sets, you have to circle the rhyming words. That means which two have similar sound. You have to circle those. Okay, children, if anyone have doubt, just call to me. I will clarify you. Okay, children, all of you have a nice day. Bye.